Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Engineer Kim, a registered mechanical engineer and a freelance designer. For today's video, may bago na naman akong project. So, this is a piping system. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting idea what is piping system. Piping system is a network of pipes and components used to transport fluids such as water, gas, oil, steam, or chemicals. Okay, so may mga different components yung piping systems. Like pipes, so ito yung pinaka main medium for transporting the fluid. Fittings like elbows, teeth, reducer to change direction or size. Valves, used to control the flow, so open, close, or used to regulate. Flanges for connecting pipes and equipment. Then gasket para ma-seal yung joints and ma-prevent yung leaks. Support or hangers used to hold the pipe in place and handle its weight para maiwasan natin yung vibration. Okay, and then instrument like yung pressure gauge para ma-monitor natin yung pressure, and flow meters. Ano nga ba yung purpose and scope ng project na to? This piping system was designed for an industrial application, specifically for transporting hot process fluid between two major units. Okay, so before we proceed sa CAD modeling, kailangan meron tayong planning and layout. Okay, so nag-send lang naman si client sa akin ng mga picture kung saan i-install yung piping system. So para ma-identify ko yung shortest and safest route for the pipes para ma-avoid natin yung structural obstructions while allowing space for maintenance, access, and thermal expansion. Kaya mahalaga yung detailed site survey. Since naka-remote ako, kailangan ko ng mga pictures and videos as well as the dimension ng mismong place ng pag-installan para ma-install natin ng maayos yung piping. For the component selection naman, I carefully selected the right materials using carbon steel for the main lines and stainless steel for areas exposed to corrosion or high temperatures. I also considered the right type of fittings, flanges, depending on pressure rating and pipe size. For my design, gumamit ako ng slip-on flange, schedule 46 inches. So, bakit ito ang ginamit ko? Kasi it is suitable for low pressure applications and easy to install and low cost. So, marami pa naman tayong types ng flange. So, meron tayong weld neck flange, socket weld flange, pero usually ginagamit kasi yung mga yun sa mga high pressure systems. Choosing the right flange depends on pressure, temperature, piping material, and service conditions. Kaya mahalaga maintindihan natin yung mga different types ng flanges para makapag-design tayo ng more efficient and safe yung piping system natin. And then, gumamit din ako ng straight T, schedule 40, and elbow. So, for the pipe naman, gumamit ako ng carbon steel for the main lines and stainless steel para naman sa mga exposed sa corrosion or high temperatures. And for the bulb naman, gumamit ako ng gate bulb, class 150, schedule 40. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng class 150? This is the pressure rating of the bulb based on ASME standards. So, meron tayong sinusunod na standards para hindi tayo magka-conflict sa design ng piping. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng 150? Class 150 means the bulb is designed to handle the pressures up to about 285 psi at 100 degree Fahrenheit. And for the schedule 40 naman, ibig sabihin nito, this is the wall thickness of the pipe. So, schedule 40 is a common thickness for general use. Okay? So, kaya ginamit ko din tong gate bulb kasi suitable to for low to medium pressure applications. For support and stress consideration naman, so gumamit ako ng pipe supports and hangers. So, kailangan install to ng maayos para ma-minimize yung stress and vibration. So, ito yung isa sa pinakaiiwasan natin kapag magde-design tayo ng piping. And then, I also included expansion loops and flexible joints in high pressure zone para ma-reduce naman yung thermal stress. And for the safety and standards naman, my design follows ASME and API standards, ensuring pressure safety, valve accessibility, and ease of operation. Safety valves, drain points, and vent lines were also integrated based on systems requirement. So, pag magde-design tayo ng piping system, kailangan tumusunod tayo sa mga safety protocols and mga standards para hindi magka-conflict yung design natin. Aside from all of this, i-share ko na rin sa inyo yung mga key needs and considerations in designing a piping system. So, meron tayong process requirements. So, kailangan, alam mo yung fluid type na gagamitin mo, kung liquid ba to, gas, or steam. And then, for the temperature and pressure naman, so tip ko lang sa inyo, mag-design tayo sa maximum operating conditions para safe yung piping natin. And then, for the flow rate naman, kailangan ma-ensure natin yung correct pipe sizing and pump selection. Kasi hindi pwedeng malaki masyado si pipe kasi mahihirapan naman mag-transport si pump. And then for corrosiveness or toxicity, so kailangan aware tayo dito kasi maapektuhan yung material choice natin and safety precautions. So dahil nabanggit ko na rin yung correct pipe sizing, so saan ba tayo nagbe-base nito? Kailangan alam mo yung fluid velocity and pressure drop limitations para ma-prevent natin yung issues like erosion, cavitation, or efficiency. For material selection naman, so dapat nakabase tayo sa chemical compatibility. Hindi yung magsiselect ka lang ng basta na materials. Kailangan alam mo din yung mechanical strength and temperature tolerance. So ano ba yung mga common na materials na ginagamit? Usually dyan is carbon steel, stainless steel, or PVC, or HDPE, and copper. So marami pa lang ibang materials, pero ito yung mga usually na ginagamit. And para ma-ensure din natin yung proper slope, especially for drainage or condensate lines. And for the layout and routing naman, kailangan efficient and safe arrangement. Okay, para ma-avoid natin yung interference with other equipment or structures. And then also, ma-minimize natin yung pressure drops and ma-avoid yung excessive elbows or long runs. Okay, so the more na gumagamit ka kasi ng elbows, mas mataas yung chance na magkaroon ng pressure drops. So yun nga yung pinaka iniiwasan natin sa piping. And then, para ma-ensure din natin yung proper slope, especially for drainage and condensate lines. For the codes and standard compliance naman, so meron tayong pinapalo na industry standards like ASME B31.1. So ginagamit to sa mga power piping. So yung mga matataas na pressure na. Then for ASME B31.3 sa process piping. So yun yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Then meron tayong API, ANSI, or ASTM, and then marami pa. For local and international regulations naman like sa mga fire safety or sa environmental. And then, meron din tayong pressure testing and leak prevention. Okay? So, hydrostatic or pneumatic testing para ma-ensure natin yung strength and integrity ng mga piping. Then, proper gasket selections din and leak-tight flange design. And then, for the design software and tools naman, gumagamit ako ng SolidWorks. So, yun yung ginagamit ko pang design ng piping. So, for modeling, stress analysis, and documentation. And last, for the maintenance and operability. So, kailangan easy to inspect, clean and replace parts para hindi na tayo mahirapan if ever na magpapalit tayo ng parts, di ba? Or magto-troubleshoot tayo. And then, para ma-avoid din natin yung mga complicated routes that are hard to reach. Okay, so ilan lang to sa mga key needs and consideration na dapat nating tandaan kapag magde-design tayo ng piping system. Hopefully, may natutunan kayo for today's video. Once again, I'm Engineer Kim. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!